Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily set up camera timer on your iPhone 16e. So first, what you guys need to do is open the camera app and now click on this little arrow right here. After you do that, here you will have this little icon right beside the plus and the minus icon. Now click it, and here you have the timer of 3 seconds or 10 seconds depending on your preference. Now, as you guys can see, here is the timing, and now the photo is taken. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.